everyone, and welcome to my channel, the Sublimation Raccoon. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sublimation ink in your Epson ET-2800 printer with the ecotank. I like the ecotank because you can top off specific colors without having to change the whole cartilage, and you can clearly see your ink levels at all times. It's important to note what kind of ink you are using. Here I have two types of bottles which are used differently. This is the original Epson ink bottle with regular printer ink. Do not use this ink for sublimation. This lid is designed to fit directly onto the printer, and each color has a slightly different shape like a key to make sure the colors never get mixed up. This one is the Hippo sublimation ink. This lid does not fit onto the printer. It needs a syringe to help get it in the ink tray without getting it all over the place. Open the lid by gently tugging it outward. From here, you can now see the labels for the colors to help you put the ink in the correct place. This is a syringe with a needle extension. With the cover still on top, slide the needle onto the syringe. Once the needle is securely on, you can remove the cover. It's important to note that the needle is not sharp. It is a flat needle for transferring ink. You can buy them off of Amazon, but sometimes they come with the ink packs, so double check for that when purchasing your ink. You have a couple of options for how to use the syringe. You can use it like a regular syringe with the plunger and use it to draw out the ink straight from the bottle, but that can cause bubbles when you release it. The other option is to take the plunger out and pour the ink into the syringe. Open the lid of the ink tank you want to refill. Double check it's the right color. Place your needle in the hole. Now grab your sublimation ink. Carefully tip the bottle upside down with the tip in the syringe. Hold the syringe steady and gently squeeze the bottle to get the ink to come out faster. When you have enough ink, carefully remove the bottle. Be careful not to spill since the ink can stain. From here you have a choice. You can use the syringe to push the ink through, but that can cause bubbles in your ink. I prefer to let gravity do the work. It goes down pretty quick and there are no bubbles when it's done. When you remove the needle, you will need some paper towel folded over to catch the excess ink. You need to get it under the needle quickly to prevent it from dripping. I like to use the plunger to help push the rest of the ink out. You can now rinse it with water to clean it. Close up the lid and the cover and you're good to go. You can see where the ink level is at, so you can decide if you need to add more or not. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.